Welcome to video number 1 on my vlog channel, or whatever you want to call it. Today we are going to be trying something out. I got a Christmas present from a friend. It is the, let's see if we can get this, One Step hair dryer straightener or styler. Okay. I have no idea where he got this. I imagine from one of those magazines, like catalogs, like, I forget the names of them, but he gets a lot of those. He's a good friend of mine, neighbor. Since I don't have permission to use his name, we'll call him L. And it's December 24th, Christmas Eve. Anyway, plugging this bad boy in. It's already on. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It is a giant hair dryer and brush. So let's pull my hair down. Yeah, I do smoke. Don't smoke. I've been smoking since I was 16. Pretty much never stopped. I now have COPD, a smoker's cough. All that's happened in the last year. Up until then, no symptoms at all, and then all of a sudden, symptoms. So, let's just kind of give you an introduction here. I'm 46. Never was a big makeup person until a couple of years ago, I guess. Kind of started getting into it. If you are someone who can't afford high-end makeup, I highly recommend Ipsy. They are not a sponsor. I don't have sponsors. I'm like subscribers, so I don't have sponsors. I'm just a big fan. I joined Ipsy about 2.5 years ago, maybe 3, with their original $10 bag. Came with samples. You know, you fill out sort of a profile of your looks, what you're interested in, what products, what, brands, what types of products you're interested in, hair care, skincare, makeup, etc. And they tailor the bags to you more or less. And then they added like a $35 box with full-size products. I joined that as well. Love it. So that's $45 I spend a month on makeup and skincare. I get a lot of skincare products, which as a 46-year-old who smokes, I'm all about that. And I am learning to do different things in makeup that I never did before, like foundation. Never wore foundation in my life. Stuff like that. So I do watch, some YouTube videos, instruction videos and stuff, a little bit to learn, but a lot of it I've just learned myself. So some of those tips I'll be sharing with you in different videos, but this one's about hair. Oops, gotta grab one more thing. This is my hair care box. You'll notice this is an Ipsy box. They're handy if you don't want to recycle them. Okay, so this is the brush that I've been using since high school. I have thick hair. Very thick hair. Right now I need to do my roots, but yeah. I have extremely thick hair. Since I was in middle school, I've had hairdressers ask me to do hair modeling, but I've always been too overweight. They wanted me to lose weight, but I do have extremely thick hair. People say, oh, it's, you're so lucky, thick hair, but you have no idea what a pain it is. Right now I do need a trim. Usually when I do a trim, I just chop off a couple inches. It's only do it like twice a year. This is a different type of brush. It's basically the same, squishy, but for some reason it's a little gentler on my hair. I'm not sure why. Sometimes I use it in the shower if I'm doing an extra conditioning. This is Pure Brazilian leave-in conditioner. Came in an Ipsy box. I love it. Smells good. Smells really good. Kind of like coconut. I love coconut. Coconut everything. The world could be made of coconut. I think when I go to heaven, I'm going to be inside of a coconut. And there's going to be a blankie surrounding me. I'll explain that, I guess. When I was little, I had the baby blanket. Mine had the little silky edge on it. I sucked these 2 fingers and rubbed the silky edge. For some reason, I never stopped sucking those 2 fingers. They did everything they could to get me to stop. Painted my fingers with that nasty stuff. Said if I quit sucking my fingers, they would pierce my ears. And I would quit to get my ears pierced and then immediately go back. Then the orthodontist put in this thing. It's like a retainer, but it goes kind of far back, and it has this loop that goes down so that you can't get your fingers in. I wore that for like over a year. Didn't suck my fingers. As soon as it came out, I started back. I don't know why. When I was 29, I got pregnant, and at some point I realized I wasn't sucking my fingers anymore. I have no idea. But I continue to use the edge of the blanket. Obviously not the blanket I had as a child. I go through them like you would not believe. And they're getting harder and harder to find. For whatever reason, people are switching to different types of blankets. I did find like a pair of 2 mini, oops, my earrings just came out, guys, come on anyway. Of like 2 mini blankets, they were like this size. And, carried them around for a while, but once disappeared, and the other one caught on fire one night when I was smoking in bed. Don't do that. Normally, the cigarette goes out if I fall asleep, but this time it had gone under me and was smoldering in this blanket and set off my fire alarms, which was good because they'd never gone off before, even in my kitchen. They're not near my kitchen. One's near the front door, one's in my bedroom, and one's in the hall outside my bedroom. It's not a big apartment, and it's kind of open except for the bedroom. So, any fire in the kitchen would be caught by these, but it was hilarious. I was asleep, and one alarm sounded like a typical fire alarm. The other alarm was similar, but was a different sound that I'd never heard before, and I can't repeat it. But the third alarm was just yelling, fire, fire, fire. So it was late at night. I do have neighbors on the other side of the wall. God knows what they thought. It took me a while to get it to stop, open the windows, all that stuff, and figure out that it was actually the blankie that was burning. So I get it, throw it in the shower. Alright, here we are. So let's look at the directions. Where did they go? Here's the box. Put it all the way over here. Oh. Okay, directions. God, I look wrong. I'm not wearing any makeup. I am moisturized. I'll go over my moisturizer thing another video. Okay, let's see. Thank you for purchasing your blower brush. Provides an advanced line of beauty products. Okay. Tourmaline technology of negative ions for healthier hair. Ultra lightweight body. Quiet and powerful. 60% faster drying time. 2 speed settings and 3 heat difference for total control. Ceramic heater. brush bristle area will be hot. Don't touch it. Some basic things, don't use it in the shower. Don't burn yourself, always unplug it. Don't use it with a voltage converter. There's a reset button, never operate without the rear filter. No liability. Maintenance, okay. 3 heat settings, low, middle, and high. Use the high speed setting for rough drawing, for thicker hair, middle setting for finer and more precise control and styling. The low setting can be used at the end to set the style. Start at the back of the head and work forward. Do not concentrate the airflow on any one area for an extended period of time. Start with the low setting first to test your temperature. In the first few minutes, you may notice smoke and a slight odor. It will quickly disappear. Alright. So we have a diagram here. We have the cool tip, the innovative airflow vents, the non-detachable brush head, lightweight ergonomic design, multiple heat settings, and a swivel cord. Alright, so let's check it out. Swivel cord. Alright, so we're going to try Made in China. Back of the head. I'm not really feeling any heat, so I'm going to turn it up to middle. Then high. There we go, I'm getting some heat. So far, let's check out what we got here. It's still wet in some places, but we're going to set it in a minute as they recommend. Yeah, it's doing pretty well as a straightener. My hair is not curly. Well, if it's short, it's curly, but when it has some length and weight on it, it's more wavy and frizzy. You know, like I said, it does need a trim badly. Let's see, I can't see. It's pretty straight. Just in the interest of full disclosure, not any kind of advertising or recommendation. I use Tresemme hair products, shampoo, conditioner. I find they work pretty well for my hair. There are other products I like as well, but as a poor person, I use drugstore brands. This is also Tresemme Thermal Creations Heat Protection Blow Dry Balm. Put it in before. So, yeah, you put it in before the blow dry. So, it's looking pretty good. Looking pretty straight. I don't have a mirror in front of me right now. I have to get a big one that I can see. I do have mirrors, but yeah, they're not, would not be easily set up here. So, let's try a low set. A little bit wet in some spaces. Okay. So I'm pretty happy with that, actually. For someone who has never been able to figure out how to do my hair, this actually is a game changer. I like it. I don't know where it came from. I'll have to ask. It is hot right now, so this is what it looks like. And once again, it is the one-step hair dryer and styler. Okay? And I suspect it came from a mail order magazine. Probably you can get it online. If I can find it, I will leave a link. I'll also leave a link to Ipsy, just because I'm such a fan, and I really think that everyone who is poor should try it out, because the amount of money I spend on Ipsy every month and the products I get, like, blows away buying products in the store, especially high-end products that you would have to go to Sephora or online to get. And you get to try a lot of different things, find out what you want, what you really like, what works for you, and then you can order those products if you want. I'll be reviewing some stuff, various different things like beauty channels do. But just want to welcome you to the first Beauty for 5's video, the series on my channel here. It's not all I'm going to be doing on this channel, but for right now, that's my little series that I'm doing. The next video, we're going to be doing some makeup. In fact, I'm going to do it right after this video. So, I just have to set up a mirror and so I can see the camera and the mirror at the same time. I'm not like an expert at this, okay? So, anyway, if you want to support a poor person, like this video, subscribe to my channel, share it. I'm not asking you for any money, but if you do those things, eventually I'll be able to make some of that YouTube money. I don't have a Patreon for this channel. Maybe one day. Like right now, I wouldn't even know what I would put on it. That would be worth even paying $1 for, so I'm not going to go there. So let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the product that I used. Let me know what you think of the results that I had. Ignore the gray hair. We're going to be doing a dye video, and I'll explain why my hair is so many different colors, okay? Alright, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.